guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my second video. If you haven't watched my first video, I did a shawl tutorial on my everyday shawl styling. Please watch it if you haven't. Alright, if you don't already know, I'm also a freelance makeup artist. At the moment, I cover areas in Klang Valley, Malaysia. In the future, who knows, I might be able to travel. For today, I'll be doing a tutorial on smoky eye. That's how I do it. And also a soft color lipstick. So I hope you like it. For today's video, I'll be concentrating on the eye area because I think it's the most important part of makeup. I mean, if you can nail the eyeshadow, the whole look is going to just work it. Okay, so if you do like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have comments that you would like to share, or if you have inquiries, please write in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did making this video. So enjoy and stay tuned.